Let's be real. Creating content is already a lot. You brainstorm, you record, you tweak. But when it comes to editing, that's where most of us tap out. If you've ever recorded a great video, then left it sitting in your drafts because editing felt like a full-time job, I see you. That's why I'm obsessed with Tella. It's the tool that finally made video creation feel light, fast, and fun. I've been using it for over a year to create screen recording content for my YouTube channel, to create courses and videos for my clients, and it's helped me grow without the burnout. And now it just launched something game-changing. The auto layouts. Auto layouts. The feature that basically edits your video for you. And now it's raining. So here's how it works. Of course, record like normal, trim your video, use the magic trim to remove buffers, silences, and filler words, and then go to layout. As you can see, I recorded 2 clips, one with a 2-minute and 35-second video. So let's hit generate layout. So you can choose the editing style that you want, auto, demo, tutorial, or presentation. So I like to use the auto. Let's generate the layouts. And as you can see, it's doing its magic. Should be magic layouts. So now it's determining layout timing and it's doing its magic. So let's wait for it. So it will only take less than a minute to generate layouts for your video. This is perfect for course creators because you don't need to think about the layouts for your course because the AI will analyze your video, when to share your screen and your face. Oh, so now it's done. It's applying layouts, as you can see. There you go. So let's watch it.
Hello everyone, I'm a huge fan of Dea. She's a freelancer and a YouTuber, and I absolutely love how she edits her videos. She's one of my inspirations. One is audio though, and which is Dea. As you can see, the style of my videos are inspired by Dea and audio. So if you are a fan of these two people and you also want to create videos in the same style as Dea or Ali, you totally can, and here's how. Alright, so this is how you're gonna do it. So as you can see, let's play one of it.
So it's like thinking what I'm thinking. The intro, the middle, the share screen portion, you got it.
A lot of popular business advice actually sucks. Today I'm ranking the worst business.
Perfect. So this is the first run and I really loved it already. If you don't like the layouts that it generated, you can always rerun so you can generate a new version of the layouts for your video. Tella styles your video in seconds and not minutes. So no more juggling apps, no more stress, no more procrastination in editing your videos. Want in? Try it out for 7 days and use my link to get 30% off. It's in the description section. So this is perfect for founders, YouTubers, marketers, solo creators, course creators. This is your sign to simplify your workflow, show up consistently, and actually enjoy the process of creating videos again. So trust me, I've been using Tella for more than a year already. And once you try it, you won't go back. So I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to sign up for Tella. Use my link. It's in the description section.